Now today it is the 5th of July 2021. This is Valtakatu, was it one?
31.
31, yes. And Valkeakoski, Finland. This celebration was built in 1985 by Geijer. 35 years old last year, 2020. It's going to be straightened in the next year, 2022. Got 3 floors here. It's drop hydraulic. Capacity is 8 purchase of 630 grams and the serial number is 8572. And this is open for everyone. It's like the small shopping center here. The capacity is 8 purchase or 630 grams. But I think it's mixed use.
Yeah.
But maybe there is another freight elevator here, I don't know. But maybe. And this could also be early 1985. I believe it's early 1985. Because it feels like it.
Yeah.
Second right.
Tiedpaikkiväis potentiaalisesti pausissa on no descriptis.
Does it say anything on the door? No, it doesn't. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.